The eye, mouth, eye emoji combo is often used to express confusion, awkwardness, or surprise. Initially popularized through social media, this emoji captures those moments when something bizarre leaves you speechless, whether it's cringe-worthy content or unexpected situations. Over time, it was humorously utilized in tweets, gaining traction on TikTok and becoming a reaction to strange videos. In 2020, tech enthusiasts created a fictitious app called It Is What It Is, generating significant hype and attracting venture capitalists and thousands of hopeful users. The twist? It was all a prank, with the team revealing that the app was never real, although it successfully raised over $200,000 in donations for charities.